Hey there, space explorers! Today we're heading to the very edge of our solar system, where we'll meet the mysterious Pluto. Once considered the 9th planet, Pluto has a fascinating story that's still unfolding. Let's take a closer look at this tiny but mighty world. Pluto is located in the outer reaches of our solar system, far beyond Neptune, in an area called the Kuiper Belt. It takes Pluto about 248 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun. Though it was once considered the 9th planet, in 2006 Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet due to its small size and its inability to clear its orbit of other objects. But don't let its size fool you. Pluto is still full of surprises. Pluto is tiny compared to the other planets. In fact, it's only about 2/3 the size of Earth's moon. It's so small that you could fit over 6 Plutos inside Earth. Pluto's orbit is highly elongated, meaning it's not a perfect circle. Sometimes Pluto even gets closer to the Sun than Neptune, but don't worry, its orbit is very stable and the two planets will never collide. Pluto's surface is a frozen wonderland, covered in ice and rock. Its most famous feature is Tombor Regio, a large heart-shaped plain named after Pluto's discoverer Clyde Tombaugh. This area is made of frozen nitrogen, and it's one of the most iconic images we have of Pluto. The rest of its surface includes massive ice mountains, some as high as 11,000 feet, and deep, dark craters. Despite being so far from the Sun, Pluto still has some amazing geological features. Pluto has a very thin atmosphere, composed mainly of nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. This atmosphere is so thin that it can't support life as we know it. When Pluto is closer to the Sun, its atmosphere expands, and when it moves farther away, it freezes and falls back to the surface as frost. Pluto's atmosphere is constantly changing, creating a dynamic and constantly evolving environment. Pluto has 5 known moons, with Charon being the largest and most famous. In fact, Charon is so large that Pluto and Charon actually orbit a common center of mass, making them a double dwarf planet system. The other moons, Styx, Nix, Kerberos, and Hydra, are much smaller and orbit Pluto in a complex and interesting way. These moons, along with Pluto itself, are still a mystery that scientists are eager to explore. The most incredible close-up images of Pluto came from NASA's New Horizons mission, which made history as the first spacecraft to fly by Pluto. In 2015, New Horizons passed within 7,800 miles, 12,500 kilometers of Pluto, and sent back breathtaking images that changed our understanding of the dwarf planet. The mission showed us Pluto's icy plains, massive mountains, and complex atmosphere. It even revealed that Pluto has more geological activity than we once thought. Here's a fun fact. Pluto was discovered in 1930 by astronomer Clyde Tombaugh, and for many years it was considered the 9th planet in our solar system. But in 2006, the International Astronomical Union, IAU, officially reclassified Pluto as a dwarf planet. This happened because Pluto doesn't clear its orbit of other objects and doesn't meet all 3 criteria to be considered a full-fledged planet. But don't worry, Pluto still has a special place in our hearts as the most beloved dwarf planet in the solar system. Pluto may no longer be classified as a planet, but it will always be an important part of our solar system's family. With its icy surface, mysterious atmosphere, and fascinating moons, Pluto continues to captivate our imaginations. What do you think about Pluto's reclassification? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this cosmic adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Keep exploring the wonders of space with us.